Hello everyone, welcome to the Couple Classes for English. Let's start the class. And today class belongs to some important tips for speaking English fluently. As you know, I have made this video in Hindi language also. Now I am making this video in English. As I told you earlier, some of the students, they said to me, they keep saying to me, sir, try to make some videos in English also, because they have some problem in Hindi. That's why I made. So what are the tips, important tips for speaking English? That is, first is speak English. Sir, what is this? We don't know how to speak English. How can we speak? And if we know very well how to speak English, so why we are watching your channel? So I mean to say, those people are learners, those are learning English. So in the beginning, what they have to do, they have to speak English. Whether it is right or it is wrong doesn't matter, they have to speak, because in the beginning it happens. For example, I am learning, yes, I want to learn a bicycle. So in the beginning, is it possible with very soon, one day or single day, I will be perfect in riding bicycle? No, it's not possible. It will take time. And what will happen to me when I am learning a cycle? I will get injured also, I will fall down also, I will have a lot of problem. So in the beginning it happens with everyone. So what you have to do is speak English, whether it is right or wrong. Try to speak more and more, and speak small sentences, not a big sentence. Try to speak small sentences. And it happens, if you are speaking, one day you will speak. If you are speaking in the beginning for 10 to 15 20 days, if you are speaking wrong, so one day you will speak also right. So doesn't matter if you are speaking wrong in the beginning, no need to worry, it happens to everyone. Those are the good speakers, ask them in the beginning when they used to speak, when they were learning. So ask them, they were beginner and they used to speak also wrong somewhere, and after practicing, after speaking, they became perfect, and now they are speaking fluently. So always try to speak English, whether it is right or wrong. Movies and stories in English with subtitles. You usually watch movies and stories, go on YouTube, you will see, right, like stories in English with subtitles. So you will see what is subtitle. Subtitle means which is written with the videos. For example, this is your phone and video is running here, so you will see here whatever they are speaking, it is written here. So that is called subtitle. So if watch, try to movies and stories with subtitles, because and in English also, they are speaking English also and it is written also in English. So you will have, you are watching them and you are also reading them. So what will happen, it will enhance your knowledge also, and you will learn how they are speaking. And in the beginning, try to speak basic. So go on YouTube and write basic stories, basic stories, write stories, basic stories in English language with subtitle. So you will learn a lot, because we learn English by listening, by watching also. If I say Hindi, how you learn Hindi? Any language, how you learn? In school? No, you learn by listening. We people, how we learn the language. If it is our mother tongue, how we learn? We learn only by listening. So try to listen, try to watch the movies and stories in English. With the cartoons, you will find some cartoon stories that is basic, and that is easy grammar, so you will learn a lot. Next, try to speak more and more. How much you get the chance to speak, how many you get the chance to speak English, try to speak more and more, because it is a circle, you have to cross the circle. You have to, for example, it will take 20 hours, it will take 30 hours or 20 hours to learn a bicycle. So it depends on you how long you will take to cross that 20 hours. You will take 1 week, 20 days or 10 days. How much time you will take to cross that 20 hours, you will be perfect. Maybe you will know how, you will get to know how to ride bicycle. So same thing happens in English. What you have to do, you have to speak more and more, and after get little bit of fluency, you will be able to speak English well. Only what happens in the beginning, what happens in the beginning, in the beginner, with a beginner, what happens in the beginning, they sometimes they get demoralized also, they become negative also. I am learning, I am watching videos, I am going to the class, I am not able to speak English. Many of the students, they are speaking well, but I am not learning. Somewhere they become negative. So no need to be negative, no need to be negative. Why? Because in the beginning it happens to everyone. Try to speak more and more, whether it is right or wrong, I have told you also. Try to speak more and more. In the beginning people will say you, people can comment on you that what are you speaking, you are speaking wrong. Some people they make a fun of you. Avoid them. In the beginning it happens to everyone. It happened to me also when I was learning. Many of the people they used to make a fun of me that you are not speaking well, your grammar is not good, your accent is very complicated, we are not able to understand your voice, your pronunciation very well. So no need to worry, avoid them. It happens to everyone. Try to speak more and more. Whenever you get the chance to speak, try to speak more. How much you speak, you will learn. How much you speak, you will get the flow, you will get the fluency. And in the beginning it happens, you commit a lot of mistakes. In grammar also you commit mistakes, in pronunciation you also commit mistakes, but in the beginning it happens, it is necessary, it happens. So avoid them and try to speak more and more. Next, read English newspaper and magazines. For some days try to read English newspaper and magazines. Why? And one thing also I need to tell you, don't read the front page of any newspaper. Why? Because you will find the typical grammar and tough vocabulary, and you cannot understand the front page vocabulary in grammar. So you have to try read the sports news, Bollywood news, local news you have to read, because it is written in the basic grammar, basic vocabulary. You will learn everything whatever it is written in the newspaper. So avoid reading in the front page, because they write in short, typical grammar and complicated words. To understand that word, you have to take the help of dictionary, and somewhere it can demotivate you. For like you read the 10 lines and you are not getting the meaning of 4 and 5 lines, so somewhere you can get the demotivate. So try to read in the beginning, try to read the sports, the basic news you have to read. Next, try to be with the speaker. What is this? Try to be with the speaker means you have to stay with them. Those are good speakers. Why? Whether they are your senior, maybe they are brother and sister, they are colleagues, they are boss, they are ma'am, whatever is that it could be. You have to try to be with them and keep asking with them, sir, make me clear if I commit any mistakes, because nothing happens. You cannot be small, you will not be small if you are saying to your senior, sir, tell me if I am committing any mistake. So you will not lose your respect. It's a respect which you are giving them. If you are saying, sir, kindly make me correct, so it means you are giving the respect them. So no need to get demoralized, and try to be with the speakers and keep asking them, keep talking to them in English and ask them, sir, if we have any problem, kindly make me correct also, and keep telling me how can I improve my English, what should I do more to learn a lot also. So try to stay with them and they will tell you the way to speak English. Next, think in English. What is this? Because we speak less and think more. Always, if you are thinking anything, whatever coming in your mind, always try to think in English, because we think a lot of things. In our mind, we get a lot of things, huge things, thousands of ideas comes in our mind. Somewhere we speak in our mind. So try to think in English. If you are thinking in English, somewhere your mind is working on your English and on your grammar also. So try to think in English, because we speak less and think more. So think, for example, whatever you are thinking, like lockdown, like government has allowed us to go outside, so what kind of protection we should use when we go in market. So you can think and you have to try to convert them into English. So this is the class. If you have any question and query, kindly write in the comment box. And this is the name of our channel, the Kapil Classes for English. Kindly subscribe the channel, like and share also. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care and bye bye.